In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom header for a Google form. Whether you're crafting a professional questionnaire or setting up a fun poll, adding a custom header can really personalize your form and make it visually engaging. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you get your desired outcome. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Forms. You can easily find this by searching Google Forms in the search engine or accessing it via your Google Apps if you're logged into your Google account. Once you're there, open or create a Google form to which you want to add a custom header. If you're starting fresh, you can click on the plus sign to create a new form from scratch. Now, with your form ready, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a paint palette icon. This is your gateway to customizing the theme of your form. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the theme options. Once you do, you'll be presented with several customization settings, including colors and fonts. Focus on the section labeled Header. Here, you'll see a button that says Choose Image. Click on this to access the different options for header images. Google provides a selection of stock images in several categories, but what we're interested in is the Upload My Photos option. Click on it, which will allow you to upload an image saved on your computer. Before you upload, ensure the image you want to use fits the recommended dimensions for Google Form headers, which is 1600 by 400 pixels. If your image is too large or too small, it may end up being cropped or stretched, which could reduce the quality of your presentation. There are various online tools that can help you resize your images to fit these dimensions if necessary. Locate your desired image from your files and select it for upload. Once uploaded, Google Forms will display a preview of your header right there, allowing you to see how it looks in relation to the form content. Any adjustments that need to be made can be done at this point. If everything looks good, click Done to finalize the header addition. You have now successfully added a custom header to your Google form, giving it a personal or professional touch. Feel free to tweak the overall theme further by choosing different colors or font styles, as that would complement your new header and enrich the design of your form. Remember, an eye-catching header can set the tone for your form and positively impact the responses you receive. With your custom header in place, you're all set to continue building the rest of your form as needed or share it with your intended audience. Thank you for watching, and happy form creating.